Hello everybody. I wanted to show you the completed military train, and I had showed you one of the tanks before. So here's tank one. I don't know if it's the same one I showed you before. Tank two, tank three. They're parked there in front of the donut shop probably to get some refreshments. Another tank, another tank, another tank. And those are on 40-foot flat cars. Those are the ones I got off of Thingiverse. Then behind the tanks, there's a 3/4 ton truck and two Jeeps, again on a 40-footer. Then we have an artillery piece that's on another, that's a 40-footer. Then the next two trucks, or the next two flat cars are 50-footers, and each of those have two 2.5 ton trucks on them. Then the next 50-foot car is it's the bomb load, so it's 3 bombs. So that's the 11 cars that make up what I showed you a couple of videos back. All right. I'm not ready to run the full train yet because I'm still working on some stuff, and I've got some of the tracks covered with metal things, so I can't really run them. So to the end of the train, after the bomb load, I've added 3 troop sleepers. And these are from my collection. I have, I don't know, probably 12, 15 of those. And then behind that, I added the one of the hospital kitchens that I have from another train that I use for the hospital train that I put together. And then I added one of the hospital cars. So that makes a total of 11, 14, 15, 16 cars in this train, which would be a nice load. So now I have 3 trains that are military related. This particular train with the vehicles and the bombs, and then some troop sleepers and a couple of medical related cars. Then I also have just a plain troop sleeper train, and which is, like I say, about 15 cars or so. And then I also have a hospital train that's got about, I think it's 12 cars. All of these now have metal wheels added to the Microtrain's trucks. So, but anyway, that's where we stand with this train. And I have started working on some scenery. I'll get that done here in a little bit, and so probably within the next week or so, I'll show you what I've been working on. Thank you. Bye.